Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will explore the fascinating history of mammoths, the prehistoric giants that roamed the Earth during the last ice age. From their physical characteristics to their extinction, we will cover all aspects of mammoth history. So, let's get started. Introduction to mammoths. Mammoths were large, woolly creatures that lived during the Pleistocene epoch. They were members of the Elephantidae family and were closely related to modern-day elephants. However, unlike elephants, mammoths were adapted to life in the cold and harsh environments of the last ice age. They were covered in long, shaggy fur that protected them from the cold, and they had a hump of fat on their backs that helped them survive the long winters. Types of mammoths. There were several different types of mammoths, each adapted to different environments. The most well-known type of mammoth was the woolly mammoth. The woolly mammoth, Mammothus primigenius, was a species of mammoth that lived during the Pleistocene epoch, from around 400,000 years ago until its extinction about 4,000 years ago. It was one of the last in a line of mammoth species that evolved from a common ancestor in Africa around 5 million years ago. They were found in the cold and icy regions of the northern hemisphere and were the most common type of mammoth. The woolly mammoth was well adapted to the cold, harsh environments of the last ice age. It had a thick, shaggy coat of fur that helped keep it warm, along with a layer of fat beneath the skin. It also had long, curved tusks that could grow up to 16 feet long and were used for digging up snow and ice to uncover vegetation. Woolly mammoths were herbivores and mainly ate grasses, sedges, and other vegetation. They were also very large, with males standing up to 13 feet tall and weighing as much as 12 tons. Despite their size, they were able to move quickly and were likely able to outrun most predators. Another type of mammoth was the Columbian mammoth, which lived in the warmer regions of North America. They were larger than the woolly mammoth and had longer tusks. The pygmy mammoth was the smallest type of mammoth, standing only 4 feet tall. They lived on the islands off the coast of California. Mammoths and humans. Mammoths played a significant role in human history. Humans hunted mammoths for their meat, fur, and bones. The earliest known depictions of mammoths were found in cave paintings that are more than 20,000 years old. In many of these paintings, mammoths are depicted with incredible detail and accuracy, suggesting that early humans had close interactions with these large animals. Some paintings even depict human figures interacting with mammoths, such as hunting or taming them. The reasons why early humans created these cave paintings are not entirely clear, but some theories suggest that they were created for religious or spiritual purposes, while others suggest that they may have served as instructional or educational tools for hunting and survival skills. Mammoths were an important food source for humans, yet the hunting techniques used by early humans to hunt mammoths are not fully understood. However, archaeologists and anthropologists have proposed a few possible methods that early humans might have used to hunt these large animals. One theory is that early humans would have used spears to hunt mammoths. These spears could have been made from sharpened stones or wooden shafts with sharpened tips. The hunters may have thrown these spears at the mammoths from a distance, or they may have used them in close combat. Another theory is that early humans would have used traps to catch mammoths. This could have involved digging deep pits in the ground and covering them with branches and leaves to create a camouflaged trap. Alternatively, hunters could have created barriers to funnel the mammoths into a confined space, making them easier to kill. It's also possible that early humans would have hunted mammoths using a combination of these techniques. For example, they may have used spears to weaken the mammoth before trapping it in a pit or using close-range weapons to finish it off. Regardless of the hunting method, hunting mammoths would have been a dangerous and challenging task, requiring significant skill and bravery. Mammoths were large and powerful animals, and hunting them would have required cooperation and coordination between members of the hunting party. Extinction of mammoths. Despite their size and strength, mammoths were unable to survive the changing climate of the last ice age. As the Earth's temperature rose, the glaciers that covered much of the planet began to melt, and the mammoth's habitat began to disappear. This caused a decline in the mammoth population, and eventually, they became extinct. There are several theories about the extinction of mammoths, including disease, overhunting by humans, and climate change. However, most scientists believe that a combination of factors, including a changing climate and human hunting, contributed to their demise. Mammoths in the modern era. Although mammoths are extinct, their remains continue to provide valuable insights into the past. Mammoth fossils have been found all over the world, and they have helped scientists learn more about the history of the Earth and its climate. In recent years, scientists have even attempted to bring mammoths back to life using genetic engineering. While this may seem like something out of a science fiction movie, it is a real possibility, and some scientists believe that it could help restore the planet's ecosystem. Conclusion. In conclusion, mammoths were fascinating creatures that played an important role in the history of the Earth and human civilization. While they are no longer with us, their legacy lives on through fossils, paintings, and other artifacts. We hope you enjoyed learning about the history of mammoths, and we encourage you to continue exploring the rich and diverse history of our planet. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.